Veterinary pathology. Which of the following disease has recreational exposure as means of spread to man? Brucellosis is a disease that has recreational exposure as means of spread to man. Anthrax is a bacterial disease. Which one is spread by ticks? Bartonella is spread by ticks. Which one is caused by ingestion of undercooked beef? Coliform infection. Coliform infection is caused by undercooked ground beef. Tularemia is Francisella. Tularemia is caused by Francisella. Francisella causes tularemia. Choose the rickettsial disease. Q fever is by rickettsia. Typhus is commonly seen in flying squirrel. Flying squirrel has typhus disease. Which one spreads via ingestion of raw or partially cooked infested freshwater fish? Clonorchis. Clonorchis causes the spread. Which one spreads via ingestion of raw or partially cooked infested freshwater fish? Clonorchis. Clonorchis is caused by an infected fish. Which one is contact zoonosis? Actinomycosis is contact zoonosis. Zoonotic disease. Bite of infected phlebotomous sandflies may spread leishmania. Bite of infected phlebotomous sandflies may spread leishmania. Fungal disease is nocardiosis. Nocardiosis is a fungal disease. African sleeping sickness is caused by bite of infected tsetse fly. Coenurus cerebralis is caused by Bartonella stodri. Which one is tapeworm of dog? Dipylidium is tapeworm of dog. African hemorrhagic fever is caused by Marburg virus. Which one is spread via occupational exposure? All of them as contagious. Ecthyma is spread by occupational exposure. Pseudococcus glanders, contagious ecthyma that spread are occupational exposure. Contagious ecthymas, pseudococcus and glanders. Principal host of fasciolosis is water buffalo. Water buffalo is principal host of fasciolosis. Cattle is principal host of anthrax. The principal source of anthrax is cattle. Which one of the following is caused by a tapeworm? Bartonellosis is caused by a tapeworm. Tapeworm causes Bartonellosis. Ingestion of raw pork may result toxoplasmosis. Toxoplasma is caused by ingestion of raw milk, raw meat of pig. So toxoplasmosis, Toxoplasma gondii. Botonius fever, Botonneuse. Botonius fever is a zoonotic disease. Is a zoonotic disease of dog by Rickettsia conuri. Rickettsia conuri causes disease in dogs as Botonius fever. Botonius is by Rickettsia conuri. Bovine encephalal oomyelitis is also known as Bus disease. Bovine encephalal or encephal oomyelitis is Bus disease. Bus disease, bovine encephal oomyelitis. Botulinum. Cook is a heat process to reduce the population of Clostridium botulinum. Clostridium botulinum, to kill Clostridium botulinum. Botulinum cook is a heat process to reduce this population of Clostridium botulinum. Stomach of poultry is proventriculus. Which one of the following acts as antioxidant in feed? Selenium is antioxidant. Factors responsible for anti-nutrition present in cottonseed cake is gossypol. Gossypol is in cottonseed cake. Castor oil has ricin, RICIN. Cotton castor seed contain poisonous material naturally known as ricin, RICIN. Soya bean contains factor soyin. Soybean contains SOYIN, soin, which is responsible for antitrypsin action. Soin of soya bean has antitrypsin action. The most active form of vitamin D is vitamin D3. Anti-hemorrhagic fever factor is vitamin K. Botoni's fever is a zoonotic disease of dog. It is caused by Rickettsia conuri. Botoni's fever is caused by Botoni's fever of dog is by uh, Rickettsia conuri. Botany's fever of dog by Rickettsia conuri. Bovine encephalomyelitis is known as bus disease. Bovine encephalomyelitis is bus disease. Botulinum cook is a heat process to reduce the population of Clostridium botulinum. Botulinum cook or 12D value reduces the population of Clostridium botulinum by a factor of 12 at 2.78 minutes for D121 degree centigrade. Botulinum cook or 12D value. 12D value is also known as botulinum value. It reduces the population of Clostridium botulinum, or the botulinum cook reduces the value of Clostridium botulinum by a factor of 12, 2.78, 122.78 minutes for D121 degree centigrade. 122.78 minutes for 121 degree centigrade. Inflammation of fat is known as steatitis. Statitis. Steatitis is inflammation of fat. Condensation of nuclear material into dark round hemorrhagic mass smaller than normal nucleus is pycnosis. Abnormally developed tissue is known as dysplasia.